we've got a new cleaning requirement from management. I better create a new cleaning checklist to make sure the team knows what to do.
Oh, good. There's a new cleaning checklist. This makes it so much easier to track the new cleaning requirements.
Let me take a look at how the team's doing with our new procedures. Great! We've been using the new checklist. I'll send this report to management so they know we're following the new protocols.
Perfect! It looks like the Southeast property is meeting all the updated cleaning requirements. I guess the motto holds true. Smarter team, happier guest.